A machine of madness unleashed them. It threatened to burn our world.
The Dragoncaller is in range, Captain. My arm is ready.
Hold! Wait for the clearing. We only get one shot at this.
Fel's Dragoncaller Machine. It commands every dragon in Tartary.
Then we must silence the call.
Behold my Dragoncaller! The titans of the sky are now slaves to my will. My swarm. They will burn the world to ash. Dragons are not your weapons. We bow to no false master.
They are fighting back.
Let's ride!
We did not tame them, Captain. We only freed them.
Freedom is what earns loyalty.
True strength is not in control. It is found in trust. Let the wild heart guide you.